I have spent more than 10 years working on developing amplifiers using Russian high-power triodes. The monoblock power amplifier you see now is the GX2800A, an improved version of the GX2800 developed 2 years ago. Of course, the electrical performance of both is almost the same. But the appearance has changed dramatically. 6C33C vacuum tubes have very high power consumption and require multiple power supply circuits. Therefore, power transformer design requires technology that is significantly different from that of typical vacuum tubes. 2 power transformers are installed per monoblock to minimize heat generation and ensure stable operation of the GX2800A. The rated capacity of each power transformer is 150 watts each and is designed to sufficiently cover high and low voltage power consumption. I wire and solder with great care to ensure perfect operation and to create a durable amplifier. From now on, it is time to check the alternating current and direct current voltage applied to each filament. When power is applied, you can see that the surge current is very high. This is because the filament resistance of a power vacuum tube is close to zero. It takes 130 watts of power to light all the vacuum tube filaments. About 1 minute has passed since the power was turned on. You can confirm that all low voltage power supplies are operating well. To prevent accidents due to incorrect wiring, the high voltage power has not yet been connected. Let's measure the AC voltage of 6C33C. 12.6 volts plus or minus 0.5 volts is normal. As you can see, the power transformer is carefully designed and completed.